What's up, everybody? We're back with another trade recap. I know I've been a little inactive. Honestly, I have been trading a little bit, so I'll say that maybe like I've took 3 or 4 trades that I haven't put up on here. But like I said, I'm trading a lot less now because quality over quantity, and most importantly, I've noticed that like for the same output, may have like a lot less. Sorry, for the same output, I could do the same amount of like work. So essentially, right now, trading looks like I got pretty much beamed here on gold. Unfortunate. It's probably likely going to keep on going higher. I wanted to get the swing set up, but I got this daily breakout structure, right? 4 hours bullish, clearly, right? As you can tell here, breaks of structure. Retrace, expand, blah, blah, right? We know the drill. All we're looking for is for price to expand and then retrace into premium, come back and expand, retrace into discount, not premium. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So sometimes we get to see stuff like this where we have an hourly order block and we see an expansion. And it looks like we have yet to fill this imbalance and price looks like it wants to go lower. However, as you can see here, top of the hour, I mean, I knew this. I should have waited for this. This is how I got beamed actually. This imbalance gets tapped into one. Second of all, we notice that on the lower time frames, even though the hourly appears to actually show an expansion, you have lower time frames that are actually filling very efficiently, going to premium, going to discount, premium, discount, premium, discount. Because look, premium comes back into discount, so on and so forth. At which point here is where I start to look for an entry, and I'm thinking, cool, stock market just opened. I like how we broke 5 minute structure and came back up here. So this is going to be the 5 minute order block right here, right? There's also this hourly order block here, and the 15 minute imbalance is actually right here. And this is also like part of like you could call it a supply zone or a demand zone. But yeah, at this point, I'm pretty much looking at this and I'm thinking 5 minute expanded here, made a British break of structure, 1 minute retrace. So I'm pretty much looking for triggers here. So when price comes back into here, I'm already looking to execute, and I pretty much execute off the cuff and just do that. And essentially, price goes up for a little bit, but then stops me out, takes out this low, and then goes in my direction. So lesson here is very simple. Just wait it out because honestly, I didn't like the time that I was trading. 950 coming into macro most of the time, you tend to have either sweeps or draws that tend to get taken out. Then we took 2 trades on ES. I know it's a lot more usual than the usual amount of trading, but essentially it was the same setup that I took twice. ES is bearish on the daily time frame. It's also bearish on the 4 hour time frame. It hadn't yet turned bearish, but I took it right before it went bearish on the 4 hour. And then the hourly was definitely bearish here. We retraced into the order block, and then we started to expand lower. So at this point, all you need to do is scale down to the 15, which also flipped bearish. So hourly, 15, 4 hour, daily, all bearish. They're all saying, okay, we're going to move bearish for at least a little bit. At which point I'm thinking, okay, 5 minute break of structure, retrace, let's enter. I enter, I get stopped out by just a little bit. At which point I'm like, wow, that's crazy. How am I getting stopped out by this by just a little bit? And I noticed why, and it's because, see, NASDAQ had this crazy buildup of liquidity that gets taken out at that 10 a.m. mark liquidity point. And we see a break of structure and price just flushes. So I'm thinking same thing for ES, and we're going to take out these lows at the very least. So I take my entry here as I see the break of structure on NASDAQ, and I see ES start to make this down move here, and I just pretty much enter there, send it out to the Discord. We catch this 1 to 3 here. So essentially, we secured 1.5% here, lost 1% here, and then lost 1% on gold. So all in all, we finished the day at minus zero point 0.5 R. That's me keeping it honest with you guys. Make sure to join the Discord because even though we lose small losses like these, our winners eat their losers by massive. Because as you can tell, one win almost pretty much ate the entire day worth of losers. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. And if you guys want more strategy videos, just comment that and subscribe.